Hi there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we shall be going undercover by using the Kali Undercover mode. My name is Soji. Kali introduces a very interesting feature called the Kali Undercover mode. It is simply a set of scripts that changes the look and feel of your Kali Linux. It changes the desktop environment from what it used to be to what the feel and look of the Windows 10 desktop environment. So it allows you to be hidden, or it allows you to hide in plain sight. The Kali Linux is originally known as what? The Backtrack Linux. It's an open source Debian-based Linux distro that is used for advanced penetration testing and security auditing. It can be used for what? Security research. Hence you can see information gathering, vulnerability analysis. Most of these apps come by default once you install a copy of the Kali Linux. It can also be used for computer forensic. Can you see? Exploitation tool. Reverse engineering is another beautiful feature or another reason to use the Kali Linux. So it is basically a pen test or penetration testing Linux distribution. So why do we need to go undercover? Sincerely, it prevents a user of Kali Linux from being what? Creating unwanted attention from public usage. Because, for example, if anyone should see a user, no matter your intentions, looking at this Kali Linux dragon, it says the quieter you become, the more you're able to hear. You're already raising eyebrows and people are going to begin to what? Suspect you. So to conveniently use the Kali Linux, we're going to go what? Change this desktop environment to what most people are used to. So to do this, what do? We simply type the command Kali Undercover mode. The desktop environment automatically, using the look and feel towards the Windows 10 environment. Everyone, can you see now that an ordinary user, if you're not in the business of pen testing, you would see that I'm using what? A Windows 10 environment because of this change. Now to simply go back to this, I can type again Kali Linux. It takes me back to Kali Undercover again. It reverts back to the original Kali Linux. Be reminded to subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you for viewing.